最新の合格情報はホームページへ。秋季講習も受付中。お問い合わせは各スクールへお早めに。
It's currently 10 something, but I was gonna wake up earlier, but I kind of slept in because I didn't have to shower or like do anything. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and then go to my 11:15 class. I feel like I didn't sleep that good. Like I slept like, I don't know, I slept for like 9 hours. But I feel like I slept so bad. I don't know. I kept having dreams. And I wanted to sleep more whenever I like would wake up. So that's kind of bad. I really want to change my sleeping habits. So I got changed. But I don't know what to eat. I don't know if I should eat. I'm not that hungry. I had such a big dinner last night. So I don't know if I'll eat. Maybe I'll make coffee. I'll probably make coffee. I'm almost out of these cups, so I don't know like what I'm gonna do. Maybe like I'll buy like the pre-made coffees. So I use sugar-free caramel syrup, and then I'm gonna put ice in this and then mix it with coffee, and I'm gonna put milk in it. I stopped using the creamer. I thought it was just too much sugar, so yay. It's currently 11, so I have to start walking to the building. It's like a 15-minute walk, but hopefully, oh my god, hopefully it's nice out. I just finished my Korean, and I'm gonna go to my English class now. I just got back from my 2 classes, and I'm gonna make lunch because obviously I didn't have breakfast, but I got milk for my eggs, and then I also got this was $7.25, but I need it because I need another coffee, and I'm gonna make it soon. 2 bell peppers in my eggs. I try to like make myself full because I'm only gonna have 1 hash brown today, I think. So these bits will make me full. And I actually don't mind the taste of bell peppers. Sometimes I make a dip. I dip the bell peppers in like a Caesar salad dip. But unfortunately, the dip that I got the other day was like a Greek yogurt dip, and I didn't really like it. So I'm gonna have to use these like for omelets and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna cut these and then make it into small pieces. The knife is not like too good right now. I like have to press it. It's usually not this hard, but I'm gonna have to sharpen my knife soon. I'm gonna put salt and pepper in my eggs. Just too lazy to salt and pepper my bell peppers. So I'm just gonna do this here. Oh, I have to put a splash of milk in my eggs. That's what I usually do. Just a little bit. Ooh, okay. Splash. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this. And these are the chopped bell peppers. I'm putting, I put butter in the pan, so I'm gonna cook the bell peppers first. So while I let this cook, I'm gonna make my coffee. So personally, this is the most satisfying part for me. Okay. I'm gonna put this coffee in. I've never tried this before. I know it's like black coffee. Hopefully it doesn't taste bad because like this is so much. Like I don't want to like waste money. I already spent $7. Sugar-free caramel and then some milk. I think the egg is cooking, so I need to hurry. I was so focused on making the eggs, I actually forgot to prep my sausages and hash brown. So I'm gonna do that. It's gonna take 6 minutes, but it's okay. Okay, this is actually good. Yeah, this is really good. This is a good purchase. This is my brunch. 3 chicken sausages with bell pepper omelet and a hash brown. And I'm watching my K-drama with my lunch. Now I'm gonna go to my B-Law class, but I have to take the bus.
Continue to do business according to satisfaction works great. If, however, either of you wants out of the deal, then the doctrine of bilateral.
I forgot to film, but for dinner I had microwaved curry, a curry that I had made like a couple of days ago, and then kimchi jjigae. But I'm gonna head to work. It starts at 6:30, and then I'm gonna work out after my work. It ends at 9. I just finished work and the gym is like crazy crowded right now, but I'm gonna try to do a back and by today and then get on the Stairmaster. So tired. I just put my things in the washer and it takes like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna take a shower. I'm so excited. Like I was sweating so much from the workout, so I need to like get refreshed. Yay! And also no one's in the apartment right now. It's kind of sad. Do my night routine. I put my toner on, so I'm gonna skip that part. But yeah, I was just on the phone with my mom, and I still have the dryer to do. I'm so tired. I want to fall asleep right now, like right now. I have things due, and it's a group project, and it's due tomorrow night technically. So I want to get that like done as soon as possible. And I have so much stuff like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I just have to suck it up and like as soon as that is done, I'm freed. But yeah. My acne's getting so bad. I gotta get my veggies in. But yes, I'll let you know when I go to bed. But I'm probably not gonna for a while. But obviously, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow.